The idea for this app is to detect invasive plants using a machine learning model. So I'm going to use a local example, so 3 different plants in my area. The app will use a model to detect if I'm taking a picture of one of those 3 invasive plants or not. If I do find an invasive plant, I'm going to be able to store that information in the database for the app. Other users will be able to then view the different sightings around the area of these different invasive plants. The other feature we're going to add is a hotspot. So if a particular area, in this case a town, has more than a certain number of invasive plants identified by users, then we're going to identify that area as a hotspot. So that's the general idea of the app. So let's get to it. Our first step to any machine learning model is to gather your data set. I did look for data sets online for these particular invasive plants. So my 3 are bittersweet honeysuckle and multiflora rose. These are invasive species on Cape Cod in Massachusetts in the United States. That's where I live, so that's what I'm interested in. So I started looking for images. When you look for images, so for instance, if I look for the multiflora rose, you can look on the web and you can look for images. However, a lot of these are copyrighted. So what I would do is look here under Tools, click on Tools, and then under here we can get Creative Commons licenses. So that's going to give you these ones that are under Creative Commons, but you still have to be aware that, for instance, if I go to Wikimedia Commons, a lot of times they ask you to attribution share alike. So you have to give attribution. To me, that's a lot of work to give attribution for every single image. I would skip those that required attribution and really focus on those that were complete Creative Commons. But basically find them, and then I was saving them to my computer. So one thing I did find that was really helpful was this iNaturalist, which is an app actually that people can identify different plants and animals. If I look for some Morrow's honeysuckles, for instance, it will take you to a page. And so say if I look at this one, and if I click down here, and this gives me the pictures, and I say view more. And then the next step was the licensing. I want to say no copyright, because those are the ones that no attribution is necessary. And I was able to gather, there's a good group of images here. In fact, there's a lot more. So I did find that this was a great place to find images for each of my invasive species that was not copyrighted. The important thing is to really consider when you're gathering your images, if you're not taking the images yourself, or if it's not a data set that someone else has gathered and is sharing, that you make sure that you're not gathering copyrighted images.